So for this one, you can see our coordinates are 0, 1, 0, 4, 8, 4, and 8, 1. So it's going to be some type of quadrilateral. So one particular way you could do this would be to find two of the same x coordinates. Now remember, the first coordinate is x and the second one is y. So here I see a 0 and I see a 0 here. Now, with that, I'm going to write those down. The x, keep my x and my y straight, so I have a 0, 4 and a 0, 1. I guess I always want to make sure I put the biggest number on top. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract these two. So in this case, 4 minus 1 gives me 3. That then tells me that the line on the y-axis is a total of 3 units long. Now, find two of the same y-coordinates. So in this case, we could use the one here, and we could use then the one here. So now I have my x and my y. I'm going to line it up. So my two ones, and then my x coordinate, I have an 8 and a 0. Once again, I'm going to subtract both of these, and that would leave me with 8 units for the x coordinate. So that particular line is 8 units long. So I know it's a garden, and it would be an 8 by 3 garden, so 8 across, 3 down. That would make the perimeter 2 times 3, because there's two threes, plus 2 times 8, which would be 22 units. Now remember, you could start on the side and go all the way around it. 8 plus 3 is 11. Multiply that by 2 and get 22, or just keep going. 11 plus 8 is 19, plus 3 more would make 22. Now, if you recall, in the beginning, it said each unit is 12 inches. So I take 12 and I multiply it by the 22 units I had, and I would get a total of 264 inches.